What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Have Jailbreak Tweak, where I show you the best tweaks for your device. In today's video I'm gonna show you a tweak that you must download. This tweak will unlock your device directly to the home screen without swiping up. By default, iOS requires you to swipe up from the bottom of the lock screen after Face ID recognition to unlock your device. But with today's tweak, it will change this and offers a convenient way to access your device's home screen automatically without the need to swipe, making the unlocking process faster and more seamless. This is an incredibly useful tweak that you may not realize you need until you've installed it. This tweak comes with a number of customization options, so now I'm going to show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go ahead and open Zebra or Celio or whatever you are using. I will open Celio. Go to the sources here and make sure to add Spark Developer repo. Of course, you will find the source below the video. After adding the repo, go to the search here and search for AutoUnlockX. And as you see, this is the tweak. AutoUnlockX tweak, as I said, designed to unlock your device directly to the home screen without swiping. AutoUnlockX is a very useful tweak that allows you to enable auto-unlock your iPhone to the home screen with Face ID without swiping. The tweak is fully customizable, including an automatic retrieve setting. It enables you to seamlessly use your device straight from the home screen or to the most recently used app without the need to manually unlock your device. This tweak proves to be an excellent time-saving feature for your daily usage. Okay, now just go ahead and install it. Hit install, press here, now hit confirm. I've already installed it. After installing the tweak, go to the home screen and open the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. This is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you're gonna do here is of course enable the tweak from here. Okay, so this is the tweak. The tweak offers a range of customizable settings. I'm gonna quickly explain all these options. So the first option we have here is disable if notification. If you enable this option, the tweak will not work when you have notifications. So as you see, if you have notification, the tweak will not unlock your device to the home screen. This allows you to read the notifications. If you enable this option, disable if music playing, this will also disable the tweak function when music is playing. So if you listen to music, this means the tweak will not unlock your device, so this will allow you to control the music from the lock screen. With disable if flashlight on option, you can disable the tweak if the flash is on, and with tap to block auto unlock, you can tap on lock screen to disable the tweak. Here we have very useful option, which is enable auto retrieve. This will automatically retrieve Face ID if it fails the first time, and we all know this happens often. You can from here configure an auto retrieve interval time, and finally with enable delay before unlock option, you can delay before unlocking your device. So if you increase this slider, this will unlock your device after some time. So once Face ID is recognized, it will take some time to automatically unlock to the home screen. After making changes, just press respring to save and apply the changes, and that's it. So this is the tweak. AutoUnlockX is a free tweak allowing you to unlock your iPhone by skipping the part where you swipe up after Face ID recognizes you. AutoUnlockX tweak is an incredibly useful tool that you may not realize you need until you've installed it on your device. It enables you to seamlessly use your device straight from the home screen or the most recently used app without the need to manually unlock your device. This tweak proves to be an excellent time-saving feature for your daily usage, so make sure to give it a try. The repo is in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more jailbreak tweaks videos, and peace.